How high can Hedera price go this new week? These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to Crypto Speaker. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you are interested in everything around Hedera, this is the place for you. As of May 4th, 2026, the total market cap is $3.81 billion with a change of minus 0.45% in the last 24 hours. The price of Hbar today is $0.08788. The 24-hour trading volume is $51.18 million. The circulating supply of Hbar is 43.37 billion with a maximum supply of 50.00 billion. Hbar ranks 24 by market cap. The highest price in the last 24 hours is $0.0895524. The lowest price in the last 24 hours is $0.087319. What about Hedera news and catalysts? How high can Hedera price go? This new week, Hedera walks into a busy week. People are watching. On May 4th, 2026, HederaCon starts in Miami Beach. Big names like Citi, Euroclear, DTCC, and people from the White House Crypto Council will be in that room. They plan to talk tokenization, stablecoins, and AI-driven finance. That is a lot of heavy hitters in one place. That crowd gives Hedera's enterprise story real weight. Earlier in 2026, McLaren joined the Governing Council too. Google and IBM are already there. More real-world use cases keep adding up. Since March 26th, the launch of Agent Lab has also opened the door for developers to deploy on-chain AI agents. Against that backdrop, the Hbar price trades around $0.08775, heading into a week where sentiment and structure are pulling in opposite directions. News pushing Hbar price right now. The Hbar price is caught between strong fundamentals and weaker technical positioning. Hedera's Governing Council keeps expanding, with McLaren and FedEx joining in 2026, reinforcing its enterprise-first model. These firms don't just lend their names, they run nodes and contribute to network direction, tying usage to real business cases like supply chains and digital collectibles. There's also the ETF angle. Nasdaq filed a 19B4 for a spot Hbar ETF through Canary Capital in February 2025. The SEC delayed its decision multiple times through 2025, leaving the proposal unresolved into 2026. That keeps the door open without giving the market a clear trigger. If approval comes, it changes access for institutional capital. If delays continue, momentum stays capped. On-chain data adds another layer. Back in September 2025, big holders piled into Hbar. They bought at least 128 million Hbar, worth over 30 million back then. But even with that, the broader mood did not follow. The Fear and Greed Index is around 45. That is neutral, leaning towards scared. The Hbar price is also below its 200-day SMA line at 0.1177. That keeps the bigger picture under pressure, even with all that buying happening underneath. HederaCon on May 4th could act as a short-term catalyst. Events like this tend to drive attention and partnerships, especially with institutions already involved in regulated finance. At the same time, execution matters. Moving pilot programs into production and expanding tools like Agent Lab will determine whether that attention turns into actual demand. Here's what the Hbar price is showing. We had a look at the chart, and the bigger picture leans heavy. Price is trading around $0.08785 after a long decline from highs near $0.40. That kind of drawdown shows how much overhead supply exists, with many holders still trapped at higher levels. Every rally into resistance is likely to meet selling pressure from those looking to exit. The recent structure is tight and flat. The Hedera price has been compressing just above the 0.085 to 0.09 zone, with a dotted support level around 0.08785 holding for now. This kind of range usually precedes a move, though direction depends on whether buyers can reclaim higher levels or sellers push through support. Indicators are mixed but lean weak. The RSI sits in the mid-30s to low 40s range, showing a lack of strong buying pressure. It's not deeply oversold, which means there's still room for downside before buyers feel forced to step in. The stochastic RSI is moving in cycles without a clean trend, reinforcing the idea of a choppy market rather than a strong reversal. Will the conference have a positive impact on Hedera? We'll find out very soon. Disclaimer. This video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. Let us know in the comments what you think about Kaspa, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be the first to get the latest CAS news.